Welcome back. So, today we didn't get much. We just made a move down, and there's no trade for me. We didn't really push up at all. If we pushed up and took this high first, then I would have looked for something, but the real trade is somewhere in here. We had nice sell sides set up, and we swept it, like, before market open even happened. So, there's no trade there for me. Bless me. I knew this could happen, and this is part of trading, is just being patient and understanding when your opportunity is available and when it's time to be patient. And I'm glad that I was able to be patient today with 2 wins this week. Should have had another win yesterday, but 2 wins this week. And I'm glad to see patience today. Didn't see price action I like, so there's no trade for me. Totally fine. I'm very happy with that. And yeah, that's about all. So the weekly profile ended up being a midweek reversal with Wednesday sweeping Tuesday high. On NQ, Tuesday sweeps, Wednesday sweeps Tuesday high, and we get SMT. We then get continuation down Thursday, Friday. Very nice, and we are coming into this fair value gap that's in equilibrium, so I'd probably be looking for expansion up off of this to go higher. Retrace, maybe touch into this order block right here. Order block. And yeah, overall, pretty nice week of price action. Yeah, that's about all. So, I'll see you on. Still probably not gonna trade Mondays. Just trade Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It's just not very probable to trade Mondays. Or maybe I will trade Mondays. I'll just have to figure out. I'll have to figure it out with experience if that works for me or not. But yeah, that's all for this video. I'll see you on Monday or Tuesday. We'll see. Figure it out. But anyways, peace.